Hey guys. The Gumby Jean in bed.
It's the 5th day.
Day 5. We got, I'm going to show, we got Misty visiting.
Hi.
One of her little ones. And we got Abby Grace. And we got the DW.
Hello.
You guys don't need to see me. I'm on the camera.
I'm in bed recovering. I hate to say it, but I'm ready to come back to work already.
Why do you hate to say that? We miss you.
I have been bed bound. I haven't done anything.
You said this is day 5 now.
This is day 5.
Okay, and so you're still on pain medicine?
I'm still on pain meds, Norco. I can take 2 Norcos every
6 hours.
6 hours, and then some every 8 hours. Stool softeners. Still waiting to have a bowel movement. I haven't had one yet.
Yeah.
So that's where I am.
So are you getting out of bed much?
I'm getting up a little bit, just to walk without to not be dependent on the walker. So I do have to take my time because I get stiff just sitting in the bed.
Yeah, I understand that. So you ended up with about 24 staples on your back.
I have 24 staples in a little hole where they put the draining, I don't even know what you call it.
It's a drain.
Yeah, just a drain.
Yeah, Jackson Pratt, JP drain, or a Penrose or something. But
my neurosurgeon, when he got in, originally he said he was going to have to remove at 2 levels. But when he got in there, he only removed L5S1 because L4, L5 he said wasn't causing me pain. When I had the procedure done in June of 2017, the nerves got caught into scar tissue. So that's what was causing me a lot of pain. So he only removed 1. So that was great.
And so you said the first time when I got here, you said you're not doing this again, and you are not.
Oh, I'm not doing this surgery again. It's not fun at all.
We both had 2 spine surgeries each. Yeah,
like crap.
But we're a good team, you know. You look sweet.
Yeah.
Now your toes are numb. You were saying.
Yeah, my left foot, my toes are numb. I can feel them, but I can tell that it's numb. Like if I rub my other foot across it, I can tell that it's numb.
And when you change position, or like when you stand up, does the numbness change, or do they just stay
No,
numb?
it's still the same.
And so you said the surgeon felt like that in time you would get the feeling back in your toes.
Yeah.
Okay, and he said it could take months though, right?
Yeah, he said it could take months before I get the feeling back.
Okay. Well, with the pain medicine you're taking now, do you feel like it's doing a good enough job for you? You feel like you're getting rest?
Yeah, I finally learned to take the medication right when I'm starting to feel uncomfortable, because if I don't and I let it go too long, I'm in excruciating pain, and then it takes the medication longer to work, I feel.
Yeah, it sooner.
Taking it sooner to stop the hurting.
Well, and you know what you can do is you can take take one of the pills scheduled, just almost like on a timer 4 times a day, and then add the second one in when you feel like it's starting to hurt a little bit more. You can do that.
Okay.
I'd go ahead and stay on the Soma though 3 times a day definitely, and your other muscle relaxer that you're on, just stay on those as scheduled, because they're really going to help you a lot, and it'll help kind of with that baseline pain as well. So not letting those muscle spasms is important.
Oh, those muscle spasms are horrible.
Yeah. So we've got Sue and Wink. I was telling you about them coming in tonight, and we're going to get.
That's really nice.
Yeah, Miss Sue over to see a general surgeon tomorrow, and hopefully she'll go right into the OR and get taken care of. And then we got the Gons going to have a baby on Thursday. Yeah.
She's having a baby.
I know, we're all excited. So we've all got stuff going on here. This is going to be a crazy week.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to come check up on you again, and I'm glad you decided you'd make a little video for everybody so they can kind of see how you're doing. Yeah, I think you're doing very well, though. I'm glad, because we love you.
Love you guys, too.
All right. See you.
Bye, guys.
See you soon. Bye. Okay, so in your own words, tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
If I don't take Meta-7, I have absolutely no energy whatsoever and I feel yucky. When I take Meta-7, it gives me enough energy to make it through the day and it makes me feel better.
Now, you don't mind me asking, you do have diabetes, right?
I do have diabetes.
Tell us how your diabetes has done. How have you done with your diabetes since you've been taking Meta-7?
Well, my numbers are absolutely wonderful. I just got tested today and it was 5.4, and my doctor Gilmore said it was the help of the Meta-7.
That's right.
Those are very well under control.
Wonderful. So you're doing a great job. You're working hard with your diet.
I am.
Okay, and your diabetes is under outstanding control.
Wonderful.
And you feel good because you're taking Meta-7 every day.
Yes.
Gives you the energy you need to do what you want to do.
It does.
You're awesome. Thanks for letting me do a little video.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit. Has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.